Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to remove Google search activity. It should work on your Android as well as iOS device. So let's start it. First of all, you have to open your Gmail account. From here, if you click on top right side profile icon, then this option will come. From here you have to click on manage your Google account. Then from here you have to click on data and personalization. Then if you scroll down, then you will see the my activity option, so you have to click on my activity. Then you will see this interface will come. Here my Google activity will be show. My Google activity will show. From here, if you wish, you can delete any particular Google search history as well as all search history at a time. So I'm showing, suppose you want to delete this search history, so you have to click on the three dot at the right side, then you have to click just delete, then this search history will be delete and this message will come, so you just click on got it. Same way, if you want to delete this search history, Facebook search history, you have to click the three dot option, then just click delete. Okay, so in this way you can delete. Again, if you want to delete a specific date range or a all search history at a time, you have to search on this option. Here there is a three dot option at the right side, you have to click on it, then you will see delete activity by option will come. From here you have to click on delete activity by option. From here you will get the range of different time frame. So if you want to delete all time, then you have to click on this arrow option. Here you will see the all activity will show in this way. Okay, if you want to delete all, then you have to ensure that the select all option is enabled. After that, if you click on next, then this option will come. From here, if you click on the delete, then all of your activity history will be delete from here. So I'm clicking delete, then deletion complete option will come. So in this way you can delete all of your Google search activity. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.